Behind me down you see the beautiful Lake Mead. And all along the lake there's this path for bicycles and joggers. And it crosses a couple times the roads. Here's my trusty vehicle and we're gonna go that way. Google said 6.6 miles on the path. It should take us over these trees over there down to Hoover Dam. It's 43 minutes ride. I'm gonna destroy my ass, but I wanna try it. Maybe even make a video that's gonna be interesting for you. I don't know what's down the road. Is there anything interesting? We'll see. Wish me good luck. So there are these markers that tells you miles and that it's the trail is for humans, bicycle and goats. So I made already 1.4 miles from campground and I'm here by the entrance to National Recreational Area Lake Mead. You have to pay $25 daily pass or you need some kind of card. Annual is $80, for seniors $20, and there's also lifetime seniors card for $80. Along the trail there are these reading boards. This one is talking about transforming the desert. Hoover Dam was built in 1935, finished using the water of Colorado River, and began immediately to rise and flood the land and form the Lake Mead. You can see between those two hills the hotel and casino. So just left of there, maybe a mile, there's a Hoover Dam. Yeah. Oh, the whole team. Over those cars down, there's a campground. I made 2.3 miles and I'm here at this like a station. There's some parking lot and restrooms. You can see hotel on the hill. Behind me is a visitor center, so you can check it out. And now historic highway trail turns into dirt road. We'll see, maybe it's gonna be asphalt again. And a nice view from this higher point. You can see white roofs of RVs over there. That's like 2.7 miles to here. We're going higher. This board talks about digging the tunnels on 100 Fahrenheit degrees heat, volcanic rock, pounding jackhammers, falling rocks. That's always a big job. So now we're gonna go here through a couple tunnels. This is the first one, and inside you can see there's another one very soon. And if I have to choose, this would be my favorite spot there. And the view. After 5.3 miles on the trail, finally we see some connection to Hoover Dam. Wires, towers, shuttle bus, parking lot. So somewhere there behind those rocks, Hoover Dam. Yeah, one more mile. Two options here. So for handicapped, original railroad grade and some exhibit around, or shortcut going downhill, 12.5% grade and shortcut. So I'm gonna have fun stopping my bicycle on this gravel. I don't know even if I'm gonna stop or I need I'll try. Well, it took me the whole hour. Google said 43 minutes, but it can be much faster, maybe 30 minutes. And I stopped so many times to make pictures. But there down on that parking lot, there's a gate that says no bicycle. So there's another half mile you can walk. I don't want to walk. I already saw Hoover Dam, so I'm not about it. I wanted just to see the trail. Somebody's gonna kill me. Sorry. Father and son. So this is it, the end of the road. You can see over in there the bridge. Over that bridge it's Arizona. On the left side Arizona, the right hand side Nevada. I'm turning back. Not gonna make any more pictures or video because it's the same road back, just from the right hand side view. Well, it was fun. Now the going back is most boring thing that you can do. It's always fine going somewhere, but going back the same road, not fun. Au revoir and see you down the road.